Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss problem solver 24th hours. So, question they are asking dk equal to like this one determinant. Then they are asking summation k running from 1 to n dk equal to 48. Then the value of n they are asking question. Summation k running from 1 to n dk equal to 48. So from this you observe summation dk means wherever k is there only we should apply summation. So if you observe here 1 2k minus 1 means along first column only we should apply summation. So first I will write values. First column summation 1 means n. Then second element summation 2k means 2 into summation k. So 2 into n plus 1 by 2 cancel. So n square plus n. So first element is n. Second element is n square plus n. Third element. What is third element? Sum of 2k minus 1. So 2 into summation k means n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Summation 1 means n. So 2 cancel, n square plus n minus n cancel means n square. So this is n square. No changes in second column and third column. So this is n square plus n plus 2. Again this is n square, n square plus n. So n square plus n plus 2. So how much it is? 48. Now you observe operations. So we are applying operation C1 changes to C1 minus C3 and C2 changes to C2 minus C3. So if you apply like this, then what happen we'll see. So finally our aim is n value we have to calculate. So n value how to calculate means, see here, C1 minus C3. So C1 minus C3 means what we have to write? C1 minus C3. Sorry, C3. N minus n. So this is the determinant 0. N square plus n. N square plus n. This is also 0. N square minus n square plus n minus plus 2 means this is minus n minus 2. Then C2 minus C3, this is 0. So n square plus n plus 2 minus this terms means 2. So this is again subtracting means minus n minus 2. No changes in third column, that is n square plus n. So n square plus n plus 2 equal to 48. So if you expand along the third row, so what happened? See there, n into this column, this row you delete, this is 0 minus 2 into, so minus n minus 2, so which is equal to 48. So from this n into, so from this you see here 2 times 2, 24 times cancel. So 24 times cancel means what we left here? N plus 2 equal to 24. So n value, suppose 4 if I take, n value 4. So n value 4 means 4 into 6, 24. So n equal to 4. So that is the answer. Next question. 25. Question they are asking, A plus B plus C equal to 0 and the determinant of A minus X, C, B, C, B minus X, A, B, A, C minus X equal to 0. Then the value of X they are asking question. So options will observe. So first option 0, second option root of 3 by 2 into A square plus B square plus C square. Third option minus root of 3 by 2 into A square plus B square plus C square. Fourth option 0 comma plus or minus 3 by 2 into A square plus B square plus C square. So if you solve directly means it is lengthy process. Now I am taking little bit short. So A, B, C, sum of these three numbers must be 0. Such type of three numbers we have to select. See, suppose A equal to 0, B equal to minus 1, C equal to plus 1. 0, minus 1, plus 1, nothing but 0. So, same values here also we have to substitute. So, if I substitute there, what happens? See, A means 0, means minus x. C means 1, B means minus 1, 1 minus 1. Second row, C means 1, B minus x, B means minus 1, so minus 1 minus x. A means 0, B means minus 1, A means 0. So C minus x nothing but 1 minus x equal to 0. So if we expand directly along first row, if I expand, see, minus x into, you close this column and this row, these two we have to multiply. See here, if I take minus common, 1 plus x, 1 minus x, so we can write this is a square minus b square type. A square minus b square. So minus 1 minus x square minus 0. Next, this is plus minus plus. Minus 1 into, see, if you close this column and this row, 1 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 0 nothing but 0 minus 1 into, you close this column and this row, so then what happened? This is 0 minus of minus 0 minus 1 minus x equal to 0. So finally we'll see minus x into, this is minus means x minus x cubed minus 1 plus x minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus x equal to 0. So very clear, plus x, x, 3x plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So finally this is, if you observe, x plus x means this is 3x minus x cube equal to 0. So if I take x common, that is 3 minus x square equal to 0. So finally what we got, either x equal to 0 or x square equal to 3, x equal to plus or minus root of 3. X value 0, x value plus or minus root 3 by 2, where we will get? Among 4 options. X value 0 means either first option or fourth option. So you can delete second, third. So between 1 and 4, which one is correct option? Same values, A value, B value, C value. If you substitute there, So if you substitute here, if you get plus or minus root 3 means that is the correct option. See, x value 0 plus or minus root of 3 by 2 into a value 0, b value minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1, so 2 cancel. So how much it is? Plus or minus root 3. See, 0 comma plus or minus root 3, where we got means fourth option. So this is the correct option. Next question, 26. A, B, C are positive, X, Y, Z are belongs to means some real numbers. So they are asking question, this determined value. So if you expand directly means that is lengthy process. If I take X value, Y value, Z value 0 because X, Y, Z any real numbers. So that I am taking X, Y, Z 0, 0 I am taking. So 0, 0 or 1, 1 also you can take, no problem. So X value 0 means a power 0, 1. This is a power 1 by a power x means this is 1 means this is also 1. This is 2 means 4 its value. Or one more method also I will tell. See here. So what is one more method? Here also see x value, y value, z equal to 0. Then what happened I will see. This is 1 plus 1 whole square means 4. 1 plus 1 whole square means 4. 1 plus 1 whole square means 4. Next second column. 1 minus 1 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So in any determinant all the elements of a row or column are zeros means then the value of the determinant is 0. So clearly this value will be 0. We can take that is the first option, means third option. Why it is third option? Options also you can substitute x, y, z 0, 0 if you substitute this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. So clearly third option is the answer. So like that we have to write. Or you can apply this operation. See, C1 changes to C1 plus C2 if you take. So C1 means A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square means or C1 minus C2 you take. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square means 4AB. 4AB means, see, 4A means A power x, B means A power minus x. So A power minus x cancel. So this is 4, 4, 4. No changes in second column. Third column 1, 1, 1. So if you take 4 common means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Two columns are identical means determinant value 0. That is also another method you can solve. So better x, y, z equal to 0. In 4 options also x, y, z 0 means which option gives 0? Nothing but clearly third option. So this is the shortcut way to solve these type of questions. Next. Question 27. If A equal to determinant of 1 plus cos alpha, 1 plus sin alpha, 1, 1 plus cos beta, 1 plus sin beta, 1. 1, 1, 1, see there, is not equal to 0, then options observe. First one is alpha equal to beta, second one is alpha equal to beta plus m pi not equal to, third option alpha is not equal to beta plus pi by 2. Fourth option is alpha is not equal to beta minus pi by 2. So options also they given like this. Very clear. This determinant is not equal to 0 means among the 4 options, which one is correct option? We have to guess. You observe operation. According to rows, you remember, no need to apply any operation, you can expand directly also, no problem. But it may be lengthy. Without operations, if you expand means time taken. See, if I apply this operation, R1 changes to R1 minus R3 and R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So R1 minus R3 means 1 plus cos alpha minus 1 means this is cos alpha, sin alpha. This is 1 minus 1 means 0. R2 minus R3 means cos beta. Then this is sin beta. 0, 1, 1, 1 is not equal to 0. So if you expand along third column, so third column means here what is there? 1. So 1 into this determinant. So how much it will be? Cos alpha into, see, cos alpha into sin beta minus cos beta into sin alpha is not equal to 0. See, if I take minus a minus common, so from this, first I will write this one. Sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta equal to 0. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B means sin of alpha minus beta. So options you observe, some general solutions are there. This is not equal to 0 means not equal to, instead of 0 we can write sin of n pi. Any integral multiple of pi means 0. So sin cancel. So from this alpha minus beta is not equal to n pi. So alpha is not equal to minus beta plus n pi. So comma n belongs to any integer. So alpha is not equal to beta plus n pi means this is the answer we have to take. Next. Question number 28. If omega is a cube root of unity, is a cube root of unity, then determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B is means has a factor. Has a factor. Then 4 options if we observe. First option is A plus B omega plus C omega square. Second option A minus B minus C. Third option A minus B omega square minus C omega. Fourth option A plus B minus C. So this is a complex numbers concept, means related concept. It is omega is the cube root of unity. First I will tell you concept. Omega is the cube root of unity. So cube root of unity means 1 power 1 by 3. Suppose this value x I am taking. Cubing on both the sides, x cube equal to 1. So from this x cube minus 1 cube also we can write. A cube minus B cube. So how to write? A minus B into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So what are the roots here? Either x equal to 1. These roots x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 means I into root 3 divided by 2. So you remember what are the roots means 1 is 1. So second one is minus 1 plus I root of 3 divided by 2 minus 1 minus I root of 3 divided by 2. So this is we are representing omega. Omega means minus 1 plus I root 3 divided. These are the notations. What are the cube roots of unity means omega, 1 omega. If you square this one, you will get this number. So this is omega square. You remember. What are the cube roots of unity means here onwards? 1 omega square. Omega means minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square means minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. So some results you remember. Sum of the cube roots of unity 1 plus omega square value 0. Second property. Product of the cube roots of unity. If you multiply all these, what will get? Omega cube value 1 means 1 into omega square. If you multiply, if you want, what will get? 1 only will come. So omega cubed value 1. Omega power 6 also 1. Omega power 9 also 1. Omega power any multiple of 3 is there 1. So you remember these properties. Based on these properties only, we will going to solve that problem. So what are the cube roots of unity means? 1 omega square. Here omega is the cube root of unity. Omega nothing but minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Then this determinant we have to calculate. Then so we'll see that question now. So what is the determinant? What they are asking the determinant? Determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. So this is the circulant matrix determinant. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, circulant. So what is this determinant? 3A, B, C minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. Also we can write minus if you take common, this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3A BC we can write. Also this can be writing as, if you want you can simplify, this is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C also we can write. Also we can write minus of A plus B plus C into C. These terms can be written as just A plus B omega plus C omega square into A plus B omega square plus C omega. Why I am writing like this? Suppose if you multiply these two, what will get again? A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA will come. So that you observe what you are asking question. Omega is the cube root of unity. This determinant has a factor. So among the four options, A plus B plus C also one factor. Sometimes they will ask, write the number of factors of the determinant. How many factors are there? 3 factors will come. So one more. A plus B plus C is not there. So this is you delete. Means A plus B omega plus C omega square. First option. A plus B omega square plus C omega. It is not there. So clearly This is the factor of this determinant we can write. Whenever you are having time, if you multiply these two, again you will get the such type of values. Next question. (29) If A equal to cos of 4 pi by 3 plus I into sin of 4 pi by 3, then the determinant of, see here, the determinant of 1 1 1 1 a square 1 a square a value they are asking question. Options also I will write. This is purely real number, purely real number. Second one, purely imaginary number. Third option, complex number. Fourth option, rational number. So which one is correct option? We'll see. A equal to cos of 4 pi by 3 plus I into sin of 4 pi by 3. So this A value will write once. Cos of 4 pi by 3 means pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 means third quadrant, minus 1 by 2. Pi plus pi by 3 again minus 1, minus I into, this is root 3 by 2. So clearly minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Omega means minus 1 plus I root 3. Omega square means minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So A nothing but omega. So what is A square? A square nothing but, see this is omega square. A nothing but omega square. What is A square value? Omega power 4. Omega power 4 how to write? Omega cube into omega. Omega cube value 1 into, so finally omega. You remember A value omega square, A square value omega. If I substitute here, what happened? We'll see. This is 1 1 1 1 omega. This is omega square. Or A square means omega. This is 1 A square means omega. A means omega square. So if I apply this operation, C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. What happens? We'll see. 1 plus 1 means 3. 1 plus omega square plus omega. What is the cube root of unity? 1 plus omega plus omega, sum of the cube roots of unity. They are in GP. You remember. 1 plus omega square value 0. If I apply this operation, 1 plus omega square plus omega means 0. This is also 0. Remaining what will left here? 1 omega square omega, then 1 omega square. So if I expand along first row or first column, so you observe 3 into, if you delete this column, this row and this column, omega power 4 minus omega square. So 3 into omega power 4 means omega minus omega square. Omega minus omega square nothing but it is a complex number. So which is belongs to complex number means which one we can give options means third option we have to write. Like that we have to answer such type of questions. Next question. 38. If A is not equal to P, B is not equal to Q, C is not equal to R, then that determinant equal to 0. Then the value of this expression they are asking question. Options also like that they given. Once you observe this expression, P minus A, Q minus B, R minus, these type of terms, how will you get here? See there. If you observe this determinant, so P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C, how will you get here? So R1 changes to R1 minus R3 and R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So two operations at a time I will apply. So R1 minus R3, P minus A, B minus B, C minus R, R2 minus R3, A minus A, Q minus B, C minus R. No changes in R3 means A, B, R equal to 0. Now you can expand any row or any column, no problem. So I am expanding along first row means P minus A into, if you delete this column and this row, you observe this one, this is Q minus B into R minus B into C minus R. Minus 0 something means 0 plus C minus R into, see here. If you close this column and this row, this is anyhow 0. So minus A, so you observe 0 into B 0. If you take this cross means minus will come. Instead of writing minus, okay, so I am writing here minus, I am taking minus A into Q minus B, A into Q minus B equal to 0. So if you observe both sides means both sides divided by P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C, if I divide it, then what happens? See, these two terms, if I take divided by this term means P minus A, Q minus B cancel, then what will get? R by R minus C. R divided by R minus C. First one gone. P minus A into C minus R. Both will cancel means minus B by Q minus B. Minus B by Q minus B. Then this one. C minus R, Q minus B. Here what we are dividing? R minus C. So this becomes plus. So plus. Then A divided by, then what will get? Q minus B. P minus A will come. Equal to 0. So finally R by R minus C. So this is A by B by, this is minus will come. C by R minus C we have to write. So C by R minus C means, then how to write this one? R minus C if you divide, this is C minus R, then that is Q minus B. You observe. This is C R by R minus C minus B by Q minus B. This is P minus A, Q minus B. This is C by should come. So C by how it will come means, this is we are adding plus 1. So plus 1 we are adding means, okay, see here. R by R minus C minus 1. R by R minus C minus 1 minus B by Q minus B minus 1 plus A by P minus A equal to 0. P by P minus A, Q by Q minus B, P by P minus A means, you observe, so this is no changes, R by R minus C we required, minus B by Q minus B, this is Q minus B, here adding plus 1, right side also I am adding plus 1, 0 plus 1 means 1. Next, A by P minus A plus 1, here also one more 1 I am adding. So you observe, this is R by R minus C. So you observe, this is plus 1. Plus 1 means, if you simplify these two, Q minus B, so already minus B is there. So then what will get? P minus A plus A. So this is next question. Number 30. A is not equal to P, B is not equal to Q, C is not equal to R. Then the value of this determinant is 0. And what is the value of this expression? They are asking question. So what we required? P by P minus A, Q by Q minus B, C by C minus R, means P minus A, Q minus B, C minus R. These type of terms required. So how you get the such type of terms means, you observe, just I am applying this operation. R1 changes to R1 minus R3 and R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So very clear. R1 minus R3, P minus A, B minus B means 0, C minus R, R2 minus R3, 0, Q minus B, C minus R, A, B, R equal to 0. If we expand along first row, this is plus, minus, plus. So P minus A into C. If you close this column and this row, these two, R into Q minus B minus B into C minus R. But what we required? C minus R as this, if I take C minus R minus B into C minus R. Next, 0 into something means 0 plus C minus R into C here. If you close this column and this row, this is 0 minus C. What will get here? This is minus A into Q minus B, A into Q minus B equal to 0. So you observe, both sides divided by P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C. What happened? We'll see. So first term you observe, P minus A, R into Q minus B divided by these terms means P minus A, Q minus B, R by R minus C will get. So R divided by R minus C. Second term, P minus A into C minus R. P minus A, C minus R cancel, minus B by Q minus B. Q minus B. So from this, next step, minus these terms you observe. This is R minus C, this is P minus A, Q minus B, then C minus R. P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C. This is R minus C. So R minus C means, you observe, P minus A, Q minus B cancel, R by R minus C, right? You observe these two, P minus A, here C minus R is there. If I take minus common means, what will get? B divided by Q minus B. Then this one, R minus C we have to divide, but C minus R is there. If I take minus common means plus will come. So finally, C, R minus C, Q minus B cancel, A divided by P minus A equal to 0. Now you observe, what we have to prove? P by Q by R by we have to prove. This is R by R minus C. So R by R minus C is there. See, R divided by R minus C, B divided by Q minus B plus 1 plus A divided by P minus A plus 1. See here, 1, 1, both sides we are adding 2. So from this, you observe, this is R divided by R minus C. If I take LCM, what is this? Q minus B. So minus B plus B cancel. Q divided by, so P minus A. So minus A plus A cancel. So this value 2. So clearly you observe, this determinant value always 2 means we can give second option answer. Next, next question, 31. If determinant of P, Q minus Y, R minus Z, P minus X, Q, R minus Z, P minus X, Q minus Y, R equal to 0, then the value of P by X, Q by Y, R by Z, they are asking question. Options 0, 1, 2, fourth option P, Q, R. Same like previous question only. So P by X, Q by Y, R by Z, such type of terms where you will get. See, R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R3 I will take, and R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So from this, R1 minus R3 means X, R1 minus R3 means 0, R1 minus R3 means minus Z, R2 minus R3 means 0, R2 minus R3 means Y, R2 minus R3 means minus Z. Then this is P minus X, Q minus Y, R equal to 0. Now we'll expand along the first row, plus, minus, plus. So what will get? See here, X into, you close this column and this row, Y into R, minus, already minus Z is there, so Z into Q minus Y, minus 0 into something 0, minus Z into, you close this column and this row, see, 0 into this one 0, minus of minus means plus, P minus X into Y equal to 0. So you observe, x y r x z q x z q x y z minus x y z plus p into y z into p into y, so y z p minus x y z equal to 0. So final step you observe how many x y z's are there, minus x y z minus x y z, if you send that side 2 x y z. So left side what we left, x y r x y r x z q x z q y z p equal to 2 x y z. So both sides divided by x y z. See, x y cancel, r by z. X z cancel, q by y. Y z cancel, then p by x. X y z cancel 2. So see the options. P by x plus q by y plus r by z equal to, what is the answer here? 2 will come. Next. Number 32. If delta equal to determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and delta 1 equal to A1 plus P into B1, B1 Q into C1, C1 R into A1, A2 plus P into B2, B2 plus Q into C2, C2 plus R into A2, A3 plus P into B3, B3 plus Q into C3, C3 plus R into A3, value they are asking question. So options also I will write. What are the 4 options? First option is delta into 1 plus PQR. Second option delta into 1 plus P plus Q plus R. Third option delta into 1 minus PQR. Fourth option delta. Means delta 1, 2 values they given. In terms of deltas we have to write. One simple technique we are using. Here P value, Q value, R value 1, 1, 1 I am taking. So this is one shortcut way only I am taking. Actually if you expand this one means first column contains 2 terms, second column contains 2 terms, third column contains 2 terms. So 8 determinant decomposed means nearly half an hour it will come. So that we will make one shortcut method. PQR 1 I am taking. So what is the delta 1 I am taking? See there. Delta 1 means wherever PQR is there 1, 1, 1 means A1 plus P value 1 B1. Next B1 plus C1, C1 plus A1. Next A2 plus B2, B2 plus C2, C2 plus A2, A3 plus B3, B3 plus C3, C3 plus A3. So if you apply operations, so it is one standard result also. delta 1 equal to 2 times of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. So 2 into, this is nothing but delta only, no? So 2 into delta. So 2 into delta, how many options possibility is there? See, say PQR 111, if I substitute, see 1 plus 1 means this value 2 into delta. Okay. P value 1, Q value 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 delta. So this is 4 delta. 1 minus 1 means this is 0. This is delta. So what is the result we got? 2 delta. Among the 4 options, 2 delta where it is? This is the correct option. Like that. This is one simple shortcut way you should remember this type of questions. Next, question number 33. If determinant of 1 plus x, 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole cube, 1 plus x whole power 4, whole power 5, whole power 6, 1 plus x whole power 7, x whole power 8, whole power 9. How they written? This is a0, a1x, a2x square and so on. Then the value of a1 they are asking questions. Options 1, 2, 0, fourth option 3. So these type of questions you remember. This is one determinant equal to one polynomial. a0 plus a1x plus a2x square like that. Suppose only a0 if they ask means simply x equal to 0 you can substitute. Because x equal to 0 means all these terms will be 0, only a0. Right side also x equal to 0. But tricky they are asking question, a1 they are asking question. So a1 means differentiate on both the sides. So how to differentiate on both the sides you observe. So differentiating determinants means first row we have to differentiate. See, what is the first row derivative? 1 plus x derivative 1. 1 plus x whole square means 2 into 1 plus x. 3 into 1 plus x whole square. No changes in second row, third row. So means 1 plus x whole power 4, 1 plus x whole power 5, 1 plus x whole power 6, 1 plus x whole power 7, 1 plus x whole power 8, 1 plus x whole power 9 plus. Now first row as this we have to write 1 plus x, 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole cube. Second row we have to differentiate 4 into 1 plus x whole cube, 5 into 1 plus x whole power 4, 6 into 1 plus x whole power 5. No changes in third row. 1 plus x whole power 7, 1 plus x whole power 8, 1 plus x whole power 9 plus. Last determinant means first two rows no changes. First two rows no changes. What are the first two rows? 1 plus x, 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole cube. No changes in second row also. Whole power 4, this is whole power 5, this is whole power 6. third row derivative. So this row derivative means 7 into 1 plus x whole power 6, then 8 into 1 plus x whole power 7, 9 into 1 plus x whole power 8 equal to this derivative, tell me a0 derivative constant is 0, a1x derivative a1, a2x square derivative 2a2x, then and so on 3a3x square and so on. You observe where you will get a1 means x we have to take 0. See, x 0 means right side terms will observe what will get only a1, left side terms. Suppose if I take x equal to 0, see which terms will be identical. See, x0 means first row you observe 1 2 3, this is 2 2 2 2 2 2 means 2 rows are identical, means this determinant 0. Next, x value 0 means 1 1 1 1 1 1, so this is also determinant will be 0. Third determinant 1 1 1, this is also 1 1 1, so again this is also determinant 0, right side a1. So clearly what is a1 value? Nothing but 0. So like that we have to answer.